Welcome back everyone. I am Nancy and you're tuned into another exciting episode of FlexiEle HRMS Playbook Mastering Modern HR. In our previous episodes, we explored the usability of the employee portal, HR portal and the functionality of our leave and attendance module. If you haven't seen them yet, be sure to check the description box below. I'll share the links there. Today, we are diving into how a recruitment and onboarding module can streamline and simplify your hiring process. Without further ado, let's get started with the recruiter admin section. The first feature we have is create requisition. The hiring journey kicks off with the creation of new job role. This can be managed through the job description library, which provides a collection of predefined JDs. The library is organized into 5 main sections, which are JD name, JD code, JD category, active and action. The JD name section includes a checkbox next to each JD. By selecting the checkbox, the JD is highlighted, allowing you to check its activity or any actions taken on it. Whereas by clicking on action, it takes you to the detailed view of the JD where you can make edits or updates if required. On the top, while clicking on a create new job description, you will have to provide the job name, job category and job description and then click on submit. A new job will be created like this. The next we have is create requisition. After the job description library, you will see the create requisition where you can check the predefined requisition list by requisition name, code, requisition status and actions. In the action bar, you will find 3 additional features which are view, copy and view approval timeline. From view, you can check all the data of the predefined acquisition, whereas the view approval timeline allows you to see with whom the approval is pending. In the top right corner, there is a create new requisition box. If you want to create a new requisition, click the create new requisition button. This will open a form containing various questions. You will need to fill in the requisition details and specify the required skills to complete the process. While entering all the data in the hiring stage, it is up to the organization how many hiring stages they want to include in the hiring process. The recruitment process, from managing job description to creating new requisition, forms the backbone of effective talent acquisition. Utilizing the create requisition ensures consistency and efficiency in hiring, while the ability to customize requisitions allows organization to adapt to specific role requirements. The next feature we have is job openings. View and manage current job openings and application efficiently. With this feature, the recruiter can keep track of current openings and make changes. Through the requisition dashboard, the recruiter can also create new requisitions and also can add new candidate details. The requisition list comes with 10 headings explaining all the stages of the requisition process. Requisition name, action. By clicking on action, you can check all the data of the particular requisition. Status, total CV submitted, aging, department, location, hiring manager, start date, and recruiter. If you scroll down by selecting any of the requisition, you will get candidate list with candidate name, actions, where you can view the profile of the candidate, candidate code, job title, status, hiring source, email ID of the candidate, contact number, department, recruiter, delivery date, offer date, joining date, skills they have, and candidate status. By clicking on any name, you can review the hiring stages and schedule interview rounds. Moving forward, we have candidate dashboard. After the candidate apply for the job, all their data is stored in the candidate dashboard section. Through this section, you can check the number of candidates who have applied for a particular JD posted and whether they have a suitable match for the organization. Once you enter the candidate dashboard, you will see 2 options, which are candidate filter and candidate list. Using the candidate filter, if you are looking for a significant candidate, then the filter option is for you. With this feature, by simply selecting the date applied from and to, along with the search by, search value, job title, location, college tier, and skills. You can easily obtain the details of the candidate. The next we have is candidate list. In the candidate list, the data will appear in the candidate name, candidate code, job title, email ID, contact number, and status. You can also schedule an interview not only from the job opening dashboard but also from the candidate dashboard. By clicking on the candidate name, you can view their hiring state details and proceed to schedule the interview. After you click on the candidate and you believe that it will be a great fit for your organization, you can directly move them by clicking on the Move Candidate option to their designated department. The Send Interested Mail button is a simple click process to inform the candidate about their selection. You can also copy the candidate's information by clicking on the Copy Candidate pop-up. The recruiter can add new data of the candidate from the Add Candidate option by adding all the details of the candidate. The next feature we have is Candidate Entry Form. It is primarily used for bulk candidate applications. The format in which the data will be presented includes candidate, code, job title, location, status, and actions. Now we will move forward with the onboarding process of an employee. First, we will start with manage offers. As a manager, you can oversee and manage job offers by reviewing, editing, and tracking their statuses for organized offer management. The offer section is divided into two parts, which are offer details and offer approval. In the offer details section, you can check important information about the candidate. This includes the candidate name, requisition name, recruiter name, candidate code, requisition code, personal email, date of joining, candidate sales status, and action. In the action column, clicking on View Offer will allow you to see detailed information. This includes approval history, offer details, job details, new joiner benefit, and salary benefit. Left side of the screen, the status of the employee will be displayed. In the offer approval section, you will be able to see the status of different offers. This section is divided into three categories, which are pending, approved, and rejected. This helps you track which offers are awaiting actions, which can be approved, and which have been rejected. This is Onboarding Dashboard. Use the new hire onboarding checklist to capture and manage essential candidate details. This card is divided into two sections, which are in progress and completed. In the in progress section, you can view the key details such as the candidate name, candidate code, date of joining, location, designation, and onboarding status. In the action area, there is a drop down and an I button. By clicking the I button, you can view all the information related to the candidate. You can also have the option to download the joining kit, access submitted documents, and view the candidate's onboarding dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you can see a list of tasks that needs to be completed. You can track and complete these tasks accordingly. If you return to the action drop down, you will see three dots indicating more options. These include confirm joining, mark as hired loss, and preview joining form. The completed section displays all the details of candidates whose onboarding process has been successfully completed. The next we have is offer details. In the offer details section, it allows you to view detailed information and efficiently manage the offer process for selected candidates. This section is designed to help you stay focused by showing only the data related to the candidates who have been shortlisted or selected during the hiring process. Although the manage offer and offer details section include the same features and options, there is one key difference. The offer details section displays information only for the selected candidates, ensuring a more streamlined and targeted view for managers handling confirmed or nearly confirmed hires. Last but not the least, we have the data pulse. In the data pulse section, it is used to check total positions available in the organization, offered, pre-offer, open, and screening. Each section will be determined with the help of a colorful charts. Another options available in Data Pulse is shortlisting. Here you will gain information about the interview process overview funnel. This is a recruiter portal. In the recruiter portal, the level of access provided to the recruiter is determined by the recruiter admin. The recruitment admin can customize the recruiter's dashboard to include only the necessary features based on their role and responsibilities. Here we come to the end of the video. This is how FlexiEle's recruitment and onboarding module works. If you have any queries or wish to schedule a demo session, please comment below and our team will be in touch with you. Stay tuned as the upcoming episodes are going to be even more interesting and filled with valuable insights.